So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you are excited regarding the Arcade Facilitator program and many of you have queries like where are the syllabus, how you'll get the swags, what is the lab course, and what is the skill badges. We'll cover each and everything in this video. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here basically you can see that the Arcade Facilitator program is being started. Basically it is owned by Google Cloud, and here we'll talk about the basic information. Now here when you click on enroll, the form is currently live. In case you haven't filled the form yet, you just enroll the form. Here in the post section, I have already shared the details. How to fill the form also, you can see here. If you want goodies like this, even better goodies like this, you can just fill the form over here. This is the video how to fill the form. This is the referral code which you have to use, and this is the form. So hurry up, fill the form fast because the form will be closed soon. Now let's talk about the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program. Okay, so basically, in the Arcade Facilitator and Arcade program, there is only one difference. Like in Arcade program, we get swags, and Arcade Facilitator program helps to get the swags. Basically, you can say that Arcade is a principal, and the Arcade Facilitator is just the employee or teacher. You can say anything, just a subordinate person who helps the principal. Basically you can say like this, who helps the other person. You can say it. You can say that Arcade Facilitator program is just a helper for the Arcade program, and how it will help, let's discover. So basically let me brief you about the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program. So the Arcade program starts from, basically it occurs twice a year. That is the first cohort which recently ended. It started from January and it ended on basically on June. Now the second cohort which we are in, basically which we are doing, it started from July itself and will be ending in December. So you have time from July till December to earn as many points, and then you can get the swags. And then another thing is that the Arcade Facilitator program, if you join, basically as I said, the code and form, if you fill this form, you are enrolled in it, and then if you join, you'll have 2 months and you'll be getting some extra bonus points. So what are the points? What is the use of the points? We'll cover. First of all, we'll understand the point system. So basically here, let's come to the arcade page. So basically, let's first discover the game. So here you can see multiple games are here. So these games acts as a coin. Okay, these games acts as a coin. Let me discover the point system with you. So here you can see when you complete one level game. Where is the level game? You can see here level games are 1, 2, 3. Even the base camp is here and the level 3 is also here. So all the level games and all the trivia games. Here you can see that trivia games are here. So all the level games and trivia games give 1 point. Now here we'll have, each month we'll have a chance to earn 11 arcade points. Yes, there will be 10 games and one special game will be there. That is basically of 2 points, and one certification zone will be there. That will be of 1 point. That do that two games, basically the certification zone and the special game, will be flash game that will be live for short duration. You can say a week or 10 to 12 days, like this they will be live, so you have to complete it. Now regarding the point system, as I said, the level games and trivia games gives 1 point, and the skill badges gives two skill badges give 1 point. So here you can say if you complete 1, 2, 3, we get 3 points, one for trivia 4 points, and if you complete 2 skill badges, you get 1 point, that is total 5 points. So this was the basic point structure. Okay, now here, suppose if you want to claim the swags. So basically the swags tier, previously it was 20 points for the basic tier and 85 points for the top tier. So suppose if you have earned, basically you have completed all the games. So let me give you a short example. You completed July games, August games, and September games. So you'll have 33 points. Okay, if I make any calculation mistake, do comment down below. It's okay to make mistake. There is no issue. We are here to learn only. So if you hit 33 points, you can claim basically the first tier. If the first tier, I think it will be either 25 or 30, depending on the team. It will be updated shortly. Do not worry about it. So basically it will be 20 points. Okay. So what we said that if let's assume it 30 points. So if you have 3 points. Okay, you have completed 3 months game, you have 33 points, then you can claim the first milestone. Now suppose the first milestone is 30 as we said, and you have earned only 20 points. So you won't be able to get the swags. To be eligible, you have to complete the minimum milestone. We'll cover each and everything, do not worry. So now here we talked about the point system. Now here you can see we'll cover the labs and lab solutions also, do not worry. Now here the arcade facilitator, how it benefits us. So here you can see the point system is similar up to the skill badges. Now here we have an addition that is milestone that will help us to earn the points. So here when you click on the milestone, basically here we are in the point system page. So here you can see we have milestone. Don't confuse it with the arcade milestone. Basically arcade milestone is different thing. In the arcade milestone we are getting basically swags. In the facilitator milestone we are getting the bonus points only. So let me open the milestone one. So here you can see clearly that we have 6 arcade games which is giving 6 points. We have already discovered same for trivia also, for skill badges also. So here we have lab free courses. Okay. So if you complete the lab free courses which are mentioned over here, we'll talk about it also in the later part. Do not worry. First, let me basically explain all the point system. So here the basically milestone completion is here. You can see that 6 lab free courses, if you complete, you get 2 bonus points. So just by doing all these 3, we are getting 18 points. But addition of this, we are getting basically by doing lab free courses, we get 2 bonus points. Now, many of you may think just for doing 2 bonus points, why I should enroll in this program. Now, the main thing is that as long as you jump the milestone, the bonus points will increase. So here, when you come to the milestone 2, you can see here we are getting 8 bonus points. Similarly, as I said, you have to calculate 8 games gives 8 points, 6 games gives 8 points, and then 28 skill batches divided by 2 gives 40 points. Okay. So here we can say that we have got 8 bonus points. Now come to the ultimate milestone. So if you are targeting that large milestone, or you can see the third milestone also, the calculation for the trivia games and skill badges remains same. We have to just calculate it like this, as I said earlier. And for the points, you can see we are getting here 15 bonus points for 18 lab free courses. Now the ultimate milestone, which is the target of most of the participants. When someone compete here, they target the highest milestone. So here basically you have to complete all the 24 lab free courses and you'll be getting 25 points. So basically, assuming the previous trends, I'm assuming that the top milestone will be around 75, I think. So it was earlier 85. So it will be either 90 to 95 points. I think it will be. And there you'll be getting basically 90 to 95 points. So here you are getting 46 plus 25. Okay. And if you complete this special game, you will be getting 47 point. Okay, so here is the difference. They have mentioned that if there will be 12 arcade games, sorry, let me clear once again. Here they have mentioned, okay. So here they have mentioned all the things. I will tell you, wait a second. So here basically they have mentioned for ultimate milestone, you have to complete all the 12 games, which will be live. I think in the both the month, you have to complete all the 12 games. And basically you have to just complete 8 trivia games and 52 skill badges and lab free courses. Okay, so you have understood the basically course structure. And for the lab free courses, we are getting the 25 bonus points. This is I wanted to say. Now, how will find the games and basically the how will complete the games and how will complete the skill patches. So basically, once you are enrolled in this program, you will be getting 600 free credits to complete the skill patches. So here, let me show you if there is a catalog. I think so. Here is the catalog. Yes. So here is the catalog basically. So for doing any skill badges, we require some credits. Okay. So if you participate in the Arcade Facilitator program, you'll be getting some kind of credits which you can use to redeem the swags. Okay. Sorry, redeem swags, not which you can use to complete the skill badge. Okay. So here you can see for completing this skill badge, here is the requirement of some credits. You can see here that they are mentioned over here. Let me see whether the credits are mentioned over here or not. So yes, you can see here 5 credits are mentioned. So for starting the lab, you need 5 credits. But if you don't have participated, basically if you haven't participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, how will complete the skill badges and you won't be able to get the bonus points also. So make sure you take part in the Arcade Facilitator program. Okay, take part in the Arcade Facilitator program, use the referral code which we have shared, and then you'll be getting the credits and complete guide how to complete the skill badges. You have to just add the basically complete all step by step only. Basically, whatever I have provided. Now here you can see that they have provided the catalog as I shared. that this is the catalog for skill badges and you have to complete 52 skill badges. Now, many of you are worried how to find the 52 skill badges. So where will find the skill badges and what is the game solutions? I will find it. I will cover. Let's come over here. So basically, once you came to know about the skill badges, one more important thing that in skill badges, how you identify the skill badges? Basically, the identification is simple. You can see all the labs are here, and at last there is a challenge lab. And similarly for the pre-assessment badge also, I will show you. So let's cover first of all this thing only. So here is the sheet. You can see this is the sheet for the Arcade Facilitator program, right? This is the sheet for the Arcade Facilitator program. Here you can see all the skill badges are mentioned over here, and the pre-assessment badges are also mentioned over here, and lab free courses are also mentioned over here. So let me show you the major difference between the pre-assessment and the basic skill badge. Okay, so as you see, we have opened the basic skill badges where there is no pre-assessment chance. Basically, you have to complete all these labs to get the badge, but unlike this, here we have pre-assessment skill badges. Okay, so here you can see that when you will click on it, basically on this thing, okay, and you'll click on it, you can see here that you'll be redirected to this page, and here you can see that I think so this page has been removed. It's currently not working. So let me see another page. Yes, this is working. So basically this is the pre-assessment skill badge. Okay. So here basically you can see that all the labs are having no required tag. Unlike here, you can see all the labs have required tag and the challenge lab also. But here in the pre-assessment skill badge, only the challenge lab has a required tag. That means if you complete this challenge lab only, you will be able to get the badge without any issue. So that's why we have prepared the sheet here. More than 13 plus skill badges are here. Some are updated. If you that changes, we'll update it. Do not worry. So here is the basically video regarding it. And here is the solution guide. Here you have to just watch these videos and try to complete it. All are simple and you will be able to complete it. And once you have completed it, here basically by doing 14 skill badges, I think so. If there is 14, either 14 or 13 depending on it. So let's assume 14 skill badges you have to do, you'll be getting 7 arcade points. So what is 7 arcade points? Basically, I think it is a part of milestone 1 only. Let me show you milestone 1. So here you can see that the 14 skill badges is a part of 7 arcade points. So just by doing the pre-assessment skill badges, you can just get 7 arcade points. That's very easy. And for the games also, you have to complete both the months. Basically, if you have completed the August month, you have to complete the September month also. So here you have the games target also covered. Same with the trivia also. Here 4 trivias are already live. You have to just complete the one more trivia also. Now here, I think more than 5 games are here. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4 and one game will be, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 4 games are live. One will be special game, which will be 5 and the certification zones. Yes, I think 6 game will be live in this month. Don't worry, I'll make a video whenever any game will be live, you can complete it. So by doing this only, milestone 1 will be covered. Now regarding lab free courses. So lab free courses are basically a quiz type of completion course. So let me show you. I think here only in the syllabus page it is. So here let's me cover it. So here is the basic example of lab free courses. When you open it, you can see here basically it is video contents and at last it is a quiz. So you can do one thing, you can either watch the videos or just if you want to explore, you can just complete the quiz. If you face any issue in the quiz, for that also we have the solution guide. Do not worry if you have joined under us, basically under our facilitators or even in any facilitators, all resources are available to help you. So here you can see all the lab free courses are here, and just next to it, its solutions are also here. Now many of you are worried about one, basically in this one, they have added 2 labs also. So here is the lab solutions also. And regarding other one, all these are in progress stage. Once it will be live, I will update it also. Do not worry, I will share the video link also, so you have to complete it. Now regarding the lab free courses we have talked, and regarding the skill badges also we have talked. Now here comes the arcade games. So here each month there will be games, and then you have to just come over here, make sure you have signed to your Cloud Skills Boost account. And the most important thing I forgot, that if you don't have a Cloud Skills Boost account, how to create it? you have to just come over here. I have covered most of the queries over here. You can come over here, and just here you can see that all the videos are already live. Here is the one video, how to complete the pre-assessment batch. You can see here how to unlock swags, basically the basic information about the syllabus, how to redeem your credits, basically how to redeem your Qwiklabs credits, the 600 credits, which you have received after basically enrolling in the program. And the next thing is that how does the confirmation email looks like. All things are covered over here, right? So once you can see, now here, if you haven't enrolled it, you can watch this video guide how to enroll it. Now here, let me show you one more thing, that yes, this video. So if you are new and want to create the Cloud Skills Boost account, you can watch it. Also in the basically enrollment form also, I have shown a quick demo. You can just complete it. Now the most important thing is that before completing any games, make sure you have subscribed to Arcade. What is subscription? You have to just click on it. So basically here you have to just click on it, enter your email. The email should be same as per your Cloud Skills Boost account. You can just click on your Cloud Skills Boost account here like this, and just go to the settings and just come over here, and here in the email section it will be visible. So you have to just use this email and just paste over here and just click on next, next and submit. Now once you submitted, a response copy will be mailed, and after 1 month, suppose if you have subscribed in August, you'll be getting insider emails in September. Basically, it will contain all the details like how many points you have earned. Also, one more important thing, if you are subscribed to the Arcade Facilitator program, I think every week, basically twice or once, you will be getting a progress report, like which milestone you have achieved, how many games you have done, how to achieve the ultimate milestone. There will be guide, like basically there won't be any solution. For solution, you have to come to this channel only, but that will basically give the idea about your milestone, which games you have completed. Sorry, games, not how many numbers of games you have completed. What is your progress? We can see as a progress report what is means that basically how many, basically your progress, to be more precise. Now here you have come about the LAFI courses we have covered, the skill badges we have covered, and pre-assessment skill badges we have covered. Now how we'll get the swag? So basically here the most important thing is that how we'll get the swags, because I think your target should be learning purpose only. You try to explore this service, but many of you are excited regarding the swag. So basically, what kind of swags you're getting? So basically, as it is the winter season, so we'll be getting some cool hoodies, and chances are there we may get white hoodies also, because they will be updating the catalog also, and there will be some cool goodies also because they are taking the feedback and working on it internally. So once the basically program ends, basically it will ending on July, not December. So suppose the program ends on 27th of December. Okay. After that, they will just verify your details. So they will give time. Basically, make sure you are subscribed to the Arcade. What subscription means? Here you have to click on subscribe here. So once you are subscribed to the Arcade program, and then you have to just come over here. Basically, check your email. They will be sending the final insider email. So insider email, how does the insider email looks? If you want to see, you have to just come to the channel. Let me show you. For this one, they haven't sent yet. I will tell you if they send. So basically come over here and let me show you what you have to search. The Arcade Insider. So here you can see all the Arcade Insider details are here. You can see, okay, Arcade Insider detail is here. The June month Arcane Insider email, basically it is regarding the facilitator bonus also, I think so. Okay, so here it contains how you'll get the bonus points. I missed this thing, I will cover also. Now here basically in the, basically once the Arcade Facilitator program ends, you will be getting, basically you can see here when it is ending. Can you guess? Yes, it is ending on 6th of October. So once on 6th of October it ends, you'll be getting after a week or 2 week or after 15 days, you'll be getting a progress report, final progress report with the basically how many bonus points you have earned. Like you have achieved 25 bonus points, 50 bonus points, or 8 bonus points, or even 2 bonus points. So you're getting that email. So basically in that email, it will be there. Now regarding the Arcade Facilitator program, it is ended on 6th of October. Now what's next? So you'll be continuing in the Arcade program. The games will be live. The only thing is that once the Arcade Facilitator program ends, that is after the 6th of October, if they don't extend the deadline, you won't be able to get the bonus points. So basically, you have to continue and complete the skill badges and Lafri courses in this tenure only. So try to complete it. All the solutions are already provided. Now, once the program ends, and if you want to continue, because if you want to achieve the top tier, you have to continue. You can continue till December also if you want. So all the games will be live again and again in the arcade homepage. And there you'll be able to see the arcade homepage. All the games like this, you can see all the games here. These games will be live each month. You'll complete it. And regarding the solution, you have not to worry. I'll provide everything. You can just complete it. Now, the next thing which I wanted to share, that we have completed all the things. We have got the bonus points. Now, once the basically previously what they did, they send the Arcade Insider email with bonus instantly after basically once the program ended in the next month. But sometimes what happens, they even send at the last of the cohort. So basically we are talking about the final email, final email. So the final email will be sent around basically we can say in January, and then after 2 to 3 days or at least a week, they will send the prize email. So in the prize email will have some details like how you have to claim the prizes. So basically, I have also made a playlist. If you want to explore how does the prize email looks like and how we have to basically you can see the price counter email playlist only I have made. Okay. So here you can see how to basically, if you want to see how to redeem your swags, what are the swags of previous cohort, you can watch it and just understand over here. Okay. So basically the email will come that you have basically achieved this milestone. Like suppose you have achieved the top milestone, you have achieved 90 points and you are able to get this basically get this swag. So you can just try this and redeem the swags. What I mean to say, you'll be getting a coupon code or directly order URL. But to just click on it and answer it, basically add your address and then just submit it. Now it will after submission, it will take at least 6 to 12 weeks. Basically, if you have ordered in, suppose if you ordered in January, it will reach to you by April or May or even earlier also. Basically, no, earlier not, it will reach by April, May, you can say maximum by June, it will be surely reach to you. So this is the pathway. You have to start the game. Then you have to just complete and earn badges and then you'll reach the milestone, arcade milestone like 20 points, 30 points, 35 points, whatever they make. You have to reach that points and then you'll be able to redeem it once the price counter opens. Basically, price counter is just an email type of thing. Basically, we'll be getting an email. We have to order just like we order from Amazon and Flipkart. We have to order the swags and it will be delivered to our home. Now, let me brief you about this program. So basically, you have to just complete these games. And here, when you open these games, you can see here, let me show you here, these games are available here. So all these games you have to complete it. And regarding the solution, as I said earlier, you have to just come over a channel and just search over it. For example, if you want to complete week trivia 4. Okay, so 2. So here you can see, here is the, let's cover 4 only. Week trivia 4, playlist is here. You can just complete all the solutions are available here. Just watch it and complete it. All are very easy and just for you. Now, if you want to complete the level 2, you can just come over here and watch all these videos are available here. You can just watch it and try to complete all these things. So this is the main thing which I wanted to share with you all. And I hope it clears your doubt regarding what we have to do, where are the resources. And basically here, in short, if I say that you have to just complete the games and in exchange of it, we are earning the rewards. So make sure to use most of it. And that's all about this video. Thank you guys. Have a great day.